In 2023, scientists successfully created the first synthetic human, and it's one of the creepiest things you've ever seen. They can put them in specific conditions, and they self-organize alone over 8 days into a whole embryo. Follow us through the mind-bending journey of how they did it and other disturbing findings made in recent times. These are the 10 strangest things recently discovered. Number 10. AI Thought Translator. Dive into the wonders of the human psyche, where every thought and feeling intersects. Imagine transforming those silent musings into spoken words. Yes, that internal monologue could actually find a voice, echoing beyond the confines of your mind. This isn't a scene from futuristic fiction. It's a reality crafted in 2023 by the brilliant minds at the University of Texas. They introduced the Wave, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence that turns thoughts into verbal expressions. The technology behind this marvel is complex and sparks debate, yet it's non-invasive and astonishingly effective. This revolutionary tool opens new horizons for communication, especially for those unable to speak due to medical conditions. By bridging the gap between thought and speech, the Wave offers a glimpse into the future of human interaction, where barriers of expression are dissolved. Its implications for neuroscience and psychology are profound, promising deeper insights into the workings of the human mind. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the potential for expanding our understanding of consciousness and cognition is boundless. Number 9. The world's largest freshwater fish. On November 14, 2023, Cambodia became home to a groundbreaking discovery when a colossal 661-pound stingray was caught, claiming the title for the largest freshwater fish ever documented. Picture a creature as hefty as 3 baby elephants combined. An awe-inspiring sight indeed. This remarkable find dethroned the previous record holder, a 646-pound catfish from Thailand, which had maintained the record for almost 2 decades. However, unlike its predecessor, which was consumed, this giant stingray was equipped with an acoustic tracker and returned to its natural habitat, allowing scientists the unique opportunity to monitor its journey through the waters. This initiative aims to shed light on the behavior and migration patterns of these magnificent creatures. Both the record-setting stingray and the catfish share a troubling narrative of dwindling numbers due to threats like overfishing, habitat disruption, pollution, invasive species, and climate change. This recent discovery, though, has catalyzed a stronger commitment to conserving their aquatic environments, ensuring that future generations may also witness the marvels of such extraordinary species. Number 8. Synthetic human embryo. In a groundbreaking development from 2023, a collaborative effort between American and British scientists led to the creation of the world's first synthetic human embryo using stem cells, bypassing the need for eggs or sperm entirely. Spearheaded by Professor Magdalena Zernicka-Goetz of the California Institute of Technology and the University of Cambridge, this pioneering work has ushered in a new chapter in biological engineering. The team managed to guide these cells into forming 3 key layers of tissue, marking a significant stride in scientific research. However, it's crucial to understand that this synthetic creation lacks the characteristics of a natural embryo, such as a heartbeat or brain activity. This model represents a monumental leap forward, offering a glimpse into potential medical breakthroughs, including disease eradication, longevity enhancement, and even anti-aging solutions. Although still in early stages, this innovation hints at a future where the cultivation of human life in laboratory settings could become reality, opening up discussions on the ethical and practical implications of such advancements in medical science. Number 7. Microplastics in human blood. Plastic pollution has become a pervasive threat to our environment, reaching every corner of the globe, from the highest peaks to the deepest ocean trenches. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles, have been found in numerous species, and humans are no exception. A 2022 study revealed that microplastics are now present in human blood, posing unknown risks to our health. These particles can circulate throughout the body and may accumulate in various organs. While the full health effects are still being studied, there's evidence to suggest that microplastics can harm human cells. The question arises, how do these microplastics enter our bodies? The answer is through the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe. In a study, 22 blood samples from healthy individuals were analyzed, and 17 contained microplastics, with many identified as PET plastic, commonly found in beverage bottles and food packaging. Alarmingly, even infants have shown evidence of microplastic exposure. This concerning situation has sparked initiatives by governments and organizations aiming to tackle pollution, with the hope of securing a cleaner, safer planet for future generations. Number 6. First image of a black hole. In the heart of our Milky Way galaxy lies a colossal enigma, Sagittarius A, that has intrigued scientists for ages. For the longest time, this entity remained unseen, its presence hinted at only by the stars dancing around an unseen force. But in 2022, the veil was finally lifted, offering humanity a groundbreaking glimpse at the universe's secretive behemoth, a black hole, through the collective genius of the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration. This monumental effort brought together over 300 scientists from 80 institutions worldwide, showcasing the power of global cooperation. Although the black hole itself remains shrouded in darkness, the gas illuminating its edges gives us a glimpse of its shadow and the dazzling ring surrounding it. Despite Sagittarius A being 4 million times the mass of our Sun and located 27,000 light-years away, it presents itself as merely a speck, comparable to a donut on the moon when viewed from Earth. This image stands as a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, marking one of the most significant astronomical achievements in recent history. Number 5. Pig-to-human organ transplant. In a landmark event at the University of Maryland Medical School, Baltimore in January 2022, surgeons carried out the pioneering procedure of transplanting a pig's heart into a human patient. This was a major stride in the field of xenotransplantation, offering a glimmer of hope against the backdrop of over 100,000 individuals in the U.S. alone, eagerly waiting on organ transplant lists. The procedure, a beacon of innovation, involved 58-year-old Lawrence Fayette, who was in dire need of a heart. Utilizing a genetically modified pig's heart, surgeons embarked on this highly experimental surgery under compassionate use authorization, aimed at saving lives where conventional methods falter. Fayette's subsequent 6 weeks of life post-surgery, although cut short by organ rejection, marked a monumental step forward, igniting further research and the potential to revolutionize organ transplants. This procedure not only extends the horizons of medical science, but also holds the promise of saving countless lives in the future, turning the tide in the realm of organ donation and transplantation. Now it's time for today's subscriber's pick. Imagine stumbling upon a masterpiece carved into the very heart of a secluded mountain range, a hand, etched in stone, reaching towards the earth. This awe-inspiring sculpture has captivated everyone since its discovery by archaeologists on a remote expedition. The craftsmanship is nothing short of remarkable, raising questions about the ancient artist's methods. Without the convenience of modern tools, how did they achieve such a feat? It's a mystery that intrigues us all. Share your thoughts in the comments below on how you think this ancient wonder was created. Number 4. The Human Genome Project. In 2022, a groundbreaking milestone was achieved in the world of genetics. Scientists unveiled the most complete human genome sequence ever. This monumental breakthrough comes after the initial mapping in 2001, which, while revolutionary, left several gaps and inaccuracies. For the first time, we have a full view of a mammalian species' genome, a feat that's as impressive as it is crucial. The human genome is essentially a blueprint for life, containing all the DNA in our cells, including the 20,000 to 25,000 genes and non-coding regions that dictate everything from eye color to disease predisposition. This complete genome map opens doors to unprecedented advancements in understanding genetic disorders, potentially revolutionizing medical science and paving the way for new treatments and cures. Stay tuned as we explore how this discovery could change our lives. With this detailed genetic map, researchers can now identify genetic variations more accurately, offering new insights into complex diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Personalized medicine, tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, could become a standard, improving the efficacy of treatments and minimizing side effects. Additionally, this achievement heralds a new era in gene therapy, where correcting genetic defects at their source could cure previously untreatable conditions. The ethical implications and possibilities of such profound knowledge are vast. prompting a reevaluation of issues related to genetic privacy, data protection, and the potential for genetic modification. Number 3. Largest animal to ever live. In a striking departure from the usual environmental concerns, scientists have made an extraordinary discovery in southern Peru in 2023 that's capturing imaginations worldwide. Paleontologist Eli Ampson unearthed enormous vertebrae and ribs belonging to what's believed to be the largest animal that ever lived, the extinct whale species Paralithodes colossus. This marine giant is estimated to have weighed a staggering 340 metric tons, dwarfing the blue whale, previously considered the heaviest animal on Earth. To put this into perspective, just one vertebra of this colossal creature weighed over 220 pounds, requiring a team effort to transport it for further study. While some experts question the accuracy of these weight estimates due to the lack of soft tissue evidence and a missing skull, which complicates understanding of its diet and full size, the discovery has opened new doors to understanding our planet's past inhabitants. The hope now is to someday uncover a complete skeleton, offering a full view of this magnificent beast's true scale and splendor. Number 2. Do spiders dream? In an unexpected twist from the usual, scientists have cracked open a new mystery. Do spiders dream? Daniela Ross, an ecologist, initially set out to explore this intriguing question in the vast Amazon rainforest. However, the pandemic rerouted her research closer to home, in Trier, Germany, where she focused on a group of jumping spiders inhabiting a grassy patch. Her observations were groundbreaking. Each night, these tiny creatures retreated into their silk shelters, suspending themselves upside down, exhibiting twitching behaviors reminiscent of dreaming dogs or cats. Ross transformed her lab into a spider nursery to monitor their nocturnal habits more closely. Her study, published on August 8, 2022, suggests these spiders enter a sleep-like state, complete with rapid eye movements akin to humans' REM sleep, indicating the possibility of dreaming. This revelation challenges our understanding of spiders and potentially other creatures, leaving us to ponder, what visions occupy the dreams of these eight-legged sleepers? Number 1. Africa's oldest dinosaur. In 2017, during an expedition in the Zambezi Valley, a team of scientists made an unexpected discovery. They found dinosaur remains unlike any previously cataloged. This led them to conclude they had uncovered a new species, which they named Osauros rai. This small dinosaur, about 1 meter tall, was a biped with a long neck and sharp teeth, roaming what is now Zimbabwe around 230 million years ago. This discovery was groundbreaking because through carbon dating, the skeleton was determined to be over 200 million years old, marking it as the oldest dinosaur fossil found on the African continent at that time. However, the concept of Africa as a separate continent didn't exist back then, as all land masses were united into the supercontinent Pangaea. Today, the nearly intact skeleton of Osauros rai is preserved in a museum in Zimbabwe's southern city of Buo, standing as one of the most intriguing finds in recent history. Yet, the tale doesn't end here. Stay tuned to learn about scientists' remarkable feat of creating a human from scratch. The implications of such ancient discoveries challenge our understanding of prehistoric life and its evolution on Earth. They underscore the vast, untapped secrets still buried within our planet, waiting to rewrite chapters of the world's ancient history.